Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of my YouTube channel which I am uploading. So this will be a kind of intro video about my channel. What are the topics I am going to cover in my further upcoming videos? What are the different topics I am going to discuss? What are the career goals? What are the skill ups thing I'm going to discuss which you can learn and you can skill up yourself. If you are a college student, then you're most welcome here. You can learn many things, you can learn new skills and you can apply that and you can grab a good job. If you are already a working professional and if you want to skill up, then you can learn new things and you can switch your career, you can upskill yourself. So without further any delay, let's start with the video. So now we'll discuss that what are the skills you will learn here in the future upcoming videos. So first will be data analytics. So I am going to cover all the topics related to data analytics. What are the things you need to learn to become a data analyst? So I will be covering topics from beginner level to advanced level and you will get to know about data analytics. That is data analyst a good career in 2024? Like what are the scopes as a data analyst? What are the things you can learn as a data analyst? Where are the jobs you can apply and become a data analyst? What are the different career scopes if you learn these things? And the next will be SQL. So SQL is a very important thing to learn if you are willing to learn and become a data analyst. And the next will be data collection. So I will be collecting data from different websites and I will be showing you everything. So how you can collect data and you can practice and make a project. Next will be data processing. So I will also be teaching that how you can process the data and how you can load the data in different data visualization tool and you can learn and you can create a good project from them and you can add them in your resume and it will help you land a good job. Next will be Tableau. So Tableau is basically a data visualization tool which is used by data analysts. The next will be Power BI. So I will be covering Power BI data modelings, Power BI DAX queries and all. And the next will be overview of Power BI. So I will be covering all the topics, all the things which are in Power BI, how you can create dashboard reports, how you can write DAX queries, how will you do more data modeling and everything related to Power BI. After completing the basics of Power BI, I will be creating a project from scratch using Power BI. I will collect data, I will process the data and then I will create a dashboard using Power BI. With the help of that project, you can learn many things and you can also collect the data and you can make many projects and you can add that in your resume. And the next will be data science overview and many more to come. So these are just a few topics which I have thought as of now. So in the future upcoming videos, you will see a wide range of things which I am going to discuss in my channel, which will help you grow, which will help you skill up. If you are a student and you don't love coding much, then you are most welcome. You can learn a skill which does not require much coding and still you can land a good job with a good package. So now coming to the tutorials or videos which I am going to upload. So it will be a beginner friendly. I will be covering every topics from basics so you can understand everything. If you don't have any prior knowledge about data analytics, about SQL, about any topics which I am going to discuss, still you can come here. I will discuss everything from scratch. And next we will move to advanced level where I will deep dive into every topic which we'll discuss in the video. And after that we will create many real world projects, many real world applications which will help you more understanding about the topics which we have discussed. So the next is the hands-on project. As in the starting of video, I have told that I will be creating a project using Power BI. I will be creating a dashboard in Power BI. So for the project, I will be collecting data from various sources and then I will clean the data, process the data and then I will create a dashboard. So this is just a highlight of the project which I am going to cover in the further upcoming videos. So you can see the example which I have pasted the screenshot here. So this is the project, and when I will be starting this project, you can continue with me, you can just start with me, and you can collect all the data, and you can also make the project, which will be helpful for you. You can also attach this in a resume, which will be helpful for you in grabbing a good job. So now this is the end of the first video, intro video. So you can just like, share and subscribe, and you can also share to your friends who are interested in learning about data analytics, who are in college and who want to learn a new skill and want to grab a good job. Some of your friends who are in different type of jobs and they want to switch their career and grab some good job and good package. So share this video across them, and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. So I'll be uploading many videos and you will be get notified about the videos which I'm going to upload. So thanks. We'll meet you soon in a new video.